Foreign Office is an executive agency charged with the formulation and implementation of foreign policy. Other names for the Foreign Office include Foreign Ministry, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and Department of State. Foreign offices are presided over by a Foreign Secretary, Foreign Minister, or Secretary of State. In large states, foreign offices tend to be organized on both geographical and functional lines. The Foreign Office of any state is the vehicle through which the bulk of relations with other countries is conducted. Reports from diplomats in the field are received, collated, and evaluated as the raw materials of foreign policy in the Foreign Office. It is also the place where policy instructions are drafted and dispatched to the diplomat in the field. Once relatively small operations, foreign offices in the major states have become huge bureaucratic institutions employing thousands of persons at home and abroad. Formerly, Foreign Office personnel were amateurs recruited haphazardly. The complexity, diversity, and volume of interstate relations in the modern world, however, require increasingly higher degrees of education, selectivity, training, and professionalism,